Said the SV-650 was done. They said it was finished. Over, gone. But just like a zombie rising from the grave, Suzuki had one more trick up its sleeve. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the 2026 Suzuki SV-7GX, the bike nobody saw coming, and the one we absolutely needed. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about Suzuki's brand new middleweight crossover, the bike that fills the gap between the beloved SV-650 and the legendary V-Strom range. Let's get into it. So first, what exactly is the SV-7GX? Suzuki describes it as a crossover, sitting comfortably between the SV-650 and the V-Strom lineup. But in reality, it's a practical, comfortable, tech-loaded road bike that takes everything we loved about the SV-650 and turns it up a notch. Think of it as Suzuki's answer to the Yamaha Tracer 7 and the Triumph Tiger Sport 660. Those are the bikes it's gunning for. And based on what we know so far, it might just give both of them a serious run for their money. The SV-7GX isn't trying to reinvent the wheel. It's trying to perfect it. And honestly, we're here for it. Now, the heart of this machine, power comes from that absolutely legendary 645cc 90-degree V-twin. The same basic engine Suzuki has been refining for what feels like forever, and for good reason, because it is genuinely fantastic. But for 2026, Suzuki has given it some serious upgrades. We're talking ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, 3 selectable riding modes, a bi-directional quickshifter, and a slipper clutch. In SV-7GX trim, this beautiful engine pushes out 72 brake horsepower at 8,500 RPM and peak torque of 47 pound-feet at 6,800 RPM. Now, is it a fire-breathing monster? No, and it's not supposed to be. This is a smooth, linear, confidence-inspiring power plant that rewards every kind of rider, from the commuter grinding through city traffic to the weekend warrior blasting through mountain passes. The V-twin character is still very much alive. That distinctive rumble, that mid-range punch, that feeling that makes you want to keep riding just one more mile. Let's talk about the bones of this bike. The SV-7GX uses a steel trellis frame, visually similar to the SV-650 setup, paired with 17-inch wheels front and rear. Why does that matter? Because 17-inch wheels mean sharp, predictable handling and a massive choice of aftermarket tires. This is a proper road bike setup, not a compromise. Up front, you get 41mm telescopic forks. Out back, there's a preload adjustable rear shock. Now, is this the most exotic suspension setup in the class? Not quite, but it is well suited to the bike's purpose. Comfortable on long rides, composed in the corners, and predictable when you push it. For braking, Suzuki fitted twin 290mm discs up front and a single 240mm disc at the rear, both with 2-channel ABS as standard. Solid, reliable, confidence-inspiring. Exactly what you want on a bike like this. Now let's talk about how it looks and how it feels to live with. Aesthetically, the SV-7GX takes clear inspiration from its bigger sibling, the GS XS-1000GX. You get a small front fairing for wind protection, an adjustable windscreen to dial in your comfort, and handguards to keep the elements at bay. Compared to the naked SV-650, this is a dramatically more comfortable setup for longer rides. The 17.4-liter fuel tank is a welcome upgrade too. Based on Suzuki's claimed 55 miles per gallon figure, you're looking at roughly 200 miles between fill-ups. That's proper touring range for a middleweight bike. And the seat height, set at 795mm, that's just about 31 inches, making it accessible for a wide range of riders, without feeling intimidating or too tall. At 211 kilograms or 465 pounds curb weight, it's not the lightest in class, but it's balanced well enough to feel manageable both on the move and when parking up. Here's where the SV-7GX really separates itself from the old SV-650, because let's be honest, the SV-650 was brilliant, but its tech was basic. The SV-7GX changes all of that. You get a full-color TFT display, modern, sharp, and loaded with features. We're talking smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and even weather updates on the go. And yes, there's a USB-C charging port built right into the dash, because in 2026, your phone battery matters as much as your fuel tank. On top of that, ride-by-wire throttle, 3 riding modes, traction control, bi-directional quickshifter, slipper clutch, 2-channel ABS for a middleweight bike at this price point. That is a seriously impressive electronics package. This is the tech suite we always wished the SV-650 had. So, how does the SV-7GX compare to its main rivals? Against the Yamaha Tracer 7, the SV-7GX matches it closely in power and spec, while offering that unique V-twin character that inline twins simply cannot replicate. Against the Triumph Tiger Sport 660, Suzuki's offering feels more road-focused and city-friendly, while the Tiger leans slightly more toward the adventure side. What the SV-7GX does brilliantly is find that sweet spot, approachable enough for newer riders, capable enough for experienced ones, and practical enough for everyday use. Is it perfect? Well, some riders will wish for fully adjustable suspension, others might want more power. And yes, some will always grumble that Suzuki isn't innovating fast enough. But here's the thing, when you have an engine as good as this V-twin, why fix what isn't broken? The 2026 Suzuki SV-7GX is not a revolution. It never claimed to be. What it is a smart, sensible, and genuinely exciting evolution of one of motorcycling's most beloved platforms. It takes the soul of the SV-650, that easygoing, fun-first, always reliable character, and wraps it in a more comfortable, more capable, more connected package. For riders who loved the SV-650 but always wanted just a little bit more, this is your bike. For commuters who want weekend capability. For tourers who want city friendliness. For anyone who just wants a brilliant, honest motorcycle that puts a smile on your face every single ride. The SV-7GX delivers. RIP SV-650. You had an incredible run. But your legacy? It's in very good hands. Are you excited about the SV-7GX? Would you pick it over the Tracer 7 or Tiger Sport 660? Until next time, keep the rubber side down, ride safe, ride free,